Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log in Pokémon Go with Trainer Club. To log into Pokémon Go using Trainer Club account is easy. First of all, download and install Pokémon Go application on your mobile device and launch it open. Go ahead and follow through the prompts, enter your date of birth information and tap submit. And on the next page, click on returning player. From the options displayed on the screen, choose Pokémon Trainer Club. Click on the continue button in the pop-up to end up in the access.pokemon.com website where you'll need to log in with your Pokémon Trainer Club's account's credentials. Go ahead and enter your username associated with Pokémon Trainer Club and then enter your password on the next field. Once entering your credentials, tap on the login button. Double check the credentials to ensure that there are no typos. And right after you do that, you will then be able to log into Pokémon Go with Pokémon Trainer Club account. You can now start exploring, catching Pokémon and battling. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.